12 traits of a high-value man. A high-value man is one who is making significant progress in every part of his life. Instead of being lost at sea, he's the guy captaining a whole damn ship and conquering new land wherever he goes. Physically, he is well. Mentally, he is well. Financially, he is well. Spiritually, if he should be a believer, he is well. Put simply, a high-value man is the version. So, are you working towards becoming the best version of yourself? In this video, we will show you the top traits of a high-value man and what sets them apart from the rest. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future videos. And comment down below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. He has a strong purpose in life. A high-value man has a strong purpose in life. He knows why he is here, he's found his purpose, and he's centering his life around it. And he is always making progress toward his goals. He doesn't waste time on distractions. Instead, he focuses on what is important. He is always working towards his purpose, and that gives him a sense of pride and satisfaction. This man doesn't have time for negativity or laziness because he is too busy working hard to achieve his goals in life. The high-value man knows where he wants to go, and he knows how to get there. He has a plan in place, and he isn't afraid of obstacles along the way. Instead of being discouraged by them, he sees them as opportunities for growth. In that way, the high-value man can grow stronger when times are tough. He learns from his mistakes, but it doesn't stop him from moving forward with his life. Instead of quitting when things get tough, he keeps going because he knows how important it is to keep moving forward with his life. Number 2. High self-esteem. A high-value man believes in himself. He's not overconfident or stubborn, but he does have high self-esteem. In other words, he has faith in his ability to work, adapt, and achieve. It's important to distinguish between arrogance and high self-esteem. Arrogant people believe they're better than the rest of the world. They think they know and deserve more, and they treat others like they are inferior. But a high-value man doesn't brag about his success or his superiority. In fact, he believes he's no different than anybody else. He only achieves more than the average man because he isn't afraid to take risks. Number 3. He treats women with respect. A man of high value treats women with respect. He does not try to use them or stay overnight. He values commitment and he values women. You see, a man of high value knows that women have the same ability as men, and he does not try to cripple them. He treats his partner like a partner, and he treats her with patience and kindness. He does not try to control her or tell her what to do. Instead, he respects her, and he respects her decisions. A man of high value does not respect you alone. He respects other women too. He does not brag about his achievements, nor does he try to belittle others. He does not brag about his sexual encounters or try to make others feel inferior. Instead, he treats everyone with respect, no matter who he is. Number 4. He is a good communicator. A man of high value is a good communicator in his word as well as in deed. He does not keep things inside, he does not resent. Instead, he is open and honest with others because he knows it is important to communicate effectively with those around him. When he wants to say something, this man says it, whether it is easy or convenient for him. If he has a problem with something or someone, he is not afraid to tell them about it because he knows that being honest is the best way to resolve any conflict between people. He does not try to buy sugar to make things look better, because honesty is more important than making other people feel good about himself at his own expense. Number 5. He wants to help others. Another high-value male characteristic is that he is willing to help others, especially those close to him. He does not wait for others to ask for his help, and he gives it freely and generously. When someone has a need, there is a high-value person to help them regardless of the situation. He does not consider himself superior to all others. He sees himself as a valuable member of society who has something to offer like everyone else. A man of high value knows that life is about giving and taking. If one person helps another, they will get help from someone else in the future. This is a great feature that he cares not only about himself, but also about himself. He likes to put himself first and others and goes out of his way to help when people need him the most. And the best part, he will jump in every time to help you a little. Number 6. He is constantly striving to improve himself. One thing you see is that a man of high value is never completely satisfied with himself. He is always trying to improve himself and his life in some way. He doesn't wait for things to happen, he does things. A man of high value is a self-initiator. He does not need anyone's permission to do what he wants to do or to achieve what he wants to achieve in life. You see, a man of high value knows that he is the only person who can make a difference in his life. When he feels that something is wrong in his life, he works hard to change it for the better, instead of waiting for someone else to come and fix it. A man of high value knows that there are no shortcuts in achieving success. If you want to do something, you have to do it yourself. This is a great feature because you know that when someone constantly improves himself, he will work to be a better partner. Number 7. He is humble. A man of high value is humble. He knows he's not perfect. He knows he has weaknesses and makes mistakes like everyone else. This man does not think he is better than others. Instead, he is open to learning from everyone. He is sensitive and can feel the feelings of others. He is not afraid to cry when he feels the need to do so because he knows it will not take away from his masculinity. He does not feel the need to put on a show for anyone. He is open and honest and does not feel ashamed to share his feelings with others. A man of high value is humble when he succeeds and humble when he fails. Number 8. He is independent. A man of high value is independent. He doesn't need you to take care of him. He is confident in his own abilities to shape his own path in life. He does not want you to pay all the bills or buy him fancy gifts. You see, he's used to taking care of himself, and he knows what it takes to be happy. He can be sweet and romantic, but he knows when to back down and respect your limitations. And the best part? He doesn't want you to do it all together. He is happy when you do your own thing and vice versa. A man of high value is not affectionate. He does not want to be with you every second of the day. Instead, he enjoys spending time with himself and enjoying his own hobbies. He is also happy to spend time with you when you need to hang out. He knows when you need a space and he respects it. This is really good. It will give you both the freedom to pursue your own interests. Number 9. Emotional resilience. A man of high value is tolerant of difficult situations. When the journey is difficult, he does not run away or give up. He lowers his head, works hard, and tries until he gets back on his feet. Workplace resilience is very important. A man of high value has the drive and energy to recover from failure and learn from his mistakes. He is positive, he struggles to survive, but he is committed to his goals, no matter how difficult they may be. But every high-value human being has another kind of resilience that they should have. It's called emotional resilience. He knows how to stay calm and control his emotions. He does lose his temper. He does not make impulsive decisions. Instead, he enters with a cool head every time. Whenever his emotions flare up, he steps out, takes a deep breath, and makes a calm, reasonable decision. Number 10. Managing relationships. A man of high value pays special attention to the relationships of life. He maintains close ties with friends, colleagues, subordinates, and superiors because he knows one powerful truth. No one can succeed alone. A man of high value is not a lone wolf, and he does not try to be. He does not hide his intentions from others. In fact, he quickly calls for help when he needs it. He collaborates with different people, and he appreciates different perspectives, because he knows how powerful an active community can be. In other words, a man of high value prioritizes the strength of his relationships. He carefully monitors the people in his life and works hard to maintain their relationships. Of course, it requires a different set of skills and may take a year to learn and develop. A man of high value is accustomed to dealing with all kinds of people. He challenges to socialize in a difficult environment. He is not afraid to talk to strangers or to speak in public. He knows that connecting and mobilizing with other people is essential to his success. Therefore, he develops strong social skills that he uses to build a diverse and powerful network. Number 11. He is positive. There is nothing worse than a man who constantly points out the negatives of life. When you feel inferior, a man of high value will not pull you down. He will not focus on the bad, but he will always focus on the good around him. He knows everything is good and he wants to show it to you. A man of high value is positive and he always looks at life from a different perspective. That's what makes him such an attractive person. However, he is still a realist and makes sure to stay grounded. Number 12. He has healthy boundaries. A man of high value has healthy limits. He knows what he likes and dislikes. He knows when he is ready to date and when he isn't. Simply put, he knows when someone is over the limit, and he knows how to set healthy boundaries with others. A man of high value knows that we all deserve respect and gives it when he asks for it. He does not take advantage of others, and he cares about his word. He does not promise anything he cannot give, and he does not make too much commitment. He knows how to set boundaries with his partner, and he is not afraid to do so. A man of high value is not a door, but he does not allow anyone to walk all over him. You see, he tries to see things from the other person's point of view, but he knows when his position is. He knows when to get out of the situation, and he knows how to set healthy limits.